Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett has sought to explain why a cruise ship will be arriving in Ocho Rios, St. Ann tomorrow, a designated no-movement day. There have been concerns about the plan to open some popular attractions in St. Ann to accommodate the cruise ship passengers. TVJ News obtained a copy of a letter said to be from the St. Ann Development Company, a subsidiary of the Urban Development Corporation. The letter outlined that Dunzera Falls and Park and Green Grotto Caves are scheduled to be open for visits by cruise ship passengers on Monday, September 13. The letter also noted that both attractions will then, quote, revert to closure on the other no-movement days as mandated by the Disaster Risk Management Act. The planned move to accommodate the cruise ship passengers has been met with howls of protests on several social media platforms. But in an audio statement to the media, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett sought to provide an explanation. The minister says the cabinet made a decision to facilitate the cruise arrival on a no-movement day to honor the agreement with Carnival Cruise Line.
The schedule for the cruise season has been agreed on with Carnival Cruise Lines prior to the imposition of the no-movement days under the Disaster Risk Management Act. The two previous cruise arrivals in August were successful, and all the required protocols that had been agreed on with the cruise lines were very strictly observed and monitored.
The tourism minister says the relevant authorities have been mandated to ensure strict COVID-19 control measures are followed in keeping with the Disaster Risk Management Act.
Arriving cruise passengers are permitted to visit only establishments within the resilient corridor that are certified by the Tourism Product Development Company and permitted to travel only on transportation licensed under the Tourist Board Act.
The cruise ship is scheduled to arrive in Ocho Rios with approximately 1,700 passengers. This will be the third cruise ship arrival following the reopening of the country to cruise tourism in August 2021.